The most effective method to start a keto diet. 3 simple steps to keto success. The ketogenic diet has been ascending in notoriety, and in light of current circumstances, it is basic and yields noteworthy outcomes. Regardless of whether you need to lose fat, increment vitality, upgrade mind well-being, improve your glucose levels, or improve your general well-being, keto might be the eating regimen you are searching for. In any case, before we figure out how to begin a keto diet, we should build up a more profound comprehension of what it is and why it is so successful. Knowing the what and why behind along these lines of eating assumes a vital job in your keto diet accomplishment, just as realizing how to begin. These are the most posed inquiries. What is the keto diet? For what reason does the keto diet work? How would I start a keto diet? To what extent would I be able to follow the keto diet for? How would I know whether I am following keto accurately? What is the keto diet? What is the keto diet? The keto diet can be portrayed from numerous points of view, yet the most widely recognized definition is that it is a high-fat, low-carb, low-to-direct protein diet. In any case, on the off chance that you don't have the foggiest idea what expressions like high-fat and low-carb mean, it is hard to comprehend what eating keto really resembles. The least difficult way I've found to conceptualize the keto diet is this: if you confine carbs to the point that you enter and continue ketosis, you are on keto. Ketosis is a metabolic state wherein your body is reliably utilizing and consuming an exceptionally effective elective fuel called ketones. To create ketones and enter ketosis, we should ceaselessly trigger a procedure in the liver called ketogenesis. The most advantageous approach to do this is by restricting carb utilization more than some other low-carb diet. This is the reason this rendition of the low-carb diet is known as the ketogenic diet. Its essential target is to restrict carbs to the point that you animate ketogenesis and enter nourishing ketosis. On the off chance that you're not advancing ketone creation and looking after ketosis, at that point you are actually not on the keto diet. Notwithstanding, this makes one wonder, is experiencing such a monstrous move in your eating regimen with the goal that you can be in ketosis justified, despite all the trouble? The secret behind why keto works. The secret behind why keto works. The keto diet is straightforward, however might be hard to adjust to from the start. To go from eating the entirety of the high-carb nourishments you want to topping off on fat for fuel requires a monstrous change in your physiology and in your way of life. Are the after effects of this keto venture worth the ascension? It relies upon the individual. For some individuals, the appropriate response is a reasonable and authoritative yes. High-quality examinations on the keto diet have discovered that it reliably prompts a similar sum or somewhat more weight reduction than numerous other well-known eating regimens. Besides, the ebb and flow inquire about additionally demonstrates that keto can help with a large number of the basic conditions that individuals battle with today, including coronary illness, type 2 diabetes, and Alzheimer's infection. There are two essential systems behind these mind-boggling results. It normally lessens calorie admission. The keto diet supports the utilization of exceptionally satisfying entire nourishments and the limitation of craving animating prepared nourishments. Along these lines, numerous keto health food nuts feel full for the duration of the day without expecting to eat the same number of calories as in the past. This unconstrained decrease in calorie utilization commonly prompts weight reduction and the improvement of different biomarkers connected to coronary illness and type 2 diabetes. It expands ketone use. Ketones are our most proficient vitality source from multiple points of view, yet they aren't delivered except if we come up short on the sugar expected to help mind work. At the point when we consume ketones for fuel, they have numerous beneficial outcomes all through our body, including cerebrum well-being advancement, expanded vitality levels, and hunger decrease, among different advantages that you can find out about by following this connection. This incredible mix of reasonable calorie decrease and ketone generation is the thing that makes the keto diet exceptional and helpful in manners that different weight control plans can't imitate. Furthermore, you can tail it for whatever length of time that you want. To accomplish your well-being and body creation objectives, in any case, you should beat the hardest piece of most eating routine plans, beginning. Luckily, doing the change to keto isn't troublesome when we sift through all the superfluous information and separate it into 3 simple-to-follow steps. Start here: 3 steps to starting a successful keto diet. Since you know the what and the why behind the ketogenic diet, how about we find out about how you can begin? In spite of the fact that there are a wide range of ways to deal with keto you can attempt, a large portion of your outcomes will originate from following these means. Eat the correct nourishments. Eat the perfect measure of those nourishments. Plan for the keto influenza. Stage 1, what to eat and what to avoid to follow the keto diet. Stage 1, what to eat and what to avoid to follow the keto diet. Just by following this progression alone, numerous individuals can get thinner and improve their well-being altogether. By supplanting carb-overwhelming nourishments with keto-accommodating food sources, you will normally eat less calories than previously, making you get thinner and upgrade numerous parts of your well-being. How about we start stage 1 with a fundamental keto nourishment list. Keto food list. Here is a concise diagram of what you ought to and shouldn't eat on the keto diet. Try not to eat grains, wheat, corn, rice, oat, and so forth. Sugar, nectar, agave, maple syrup, and so on. Natural product, apples, bananas, oranges, and so forth. Tubers, potato, yams, and so on. Do eat meats, fish, hamburger, sheep, poultry, eggs, and so forth. Low-carb vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli, and other low-carb veggies greater than. High-fat dairy, hard cheeses, high-fat cream, spread, and so forth. Nuts and seeds, macadamias, pecans, sunflower seeds, and so on. Avocado and berries, raspberries, blackberries, and other low-glycemic sway berries. Sugars, stevia, erythritol, Priest natural product, and other low-carb sugars greater than. Different fats, coconut oil, high-fat plate of mixed greens dressing, immersed fats, and so forth. Keto meals and keto meal plan examples. Here is the thing that an example 7-day stretch of keto dinners got from some keto nourishment list resembles. Monday. Breakfast, 1 serving of bacon-crusted frittata muffins. Lunch, 1 serving of spinach watercress keto salad. Supper, 1 serving of bacon cheeseburger casserole. Side dish, 1 serving of easy creamy cauliflower mashed potatoes. Pastry, discretionary, eat the same number of coconut peanut butter balls as important to address your issues. All-out calories, 1,393, without dessert. Tuesday. Breakfast, 2 servings of Hunger Buster low-carb bacon frittatas. Lunch, 1 serving of bacon cheeseburger salad. Supper, 1 serving of salmon patties with herbs. Side dish, 1 serving of lemon roasted spicy broccoli. Treat, discretionary, eat the same number of coconut peanut butter balls as important to address your issues. All-out calories, 1,312, without dessert. Wednesday. Breakfast, 1 serving of bacon-crusted frittata muffins. Lunch, 1 serving of spinach watercress keto salad. Supper, 1 serving of bacon cheeseburger casserole. Side dish, 1 serving of easy creamy cauliflower mashed potatoes. Treat, discretionary, eat the same number of coconut peanut butter balls as important to address your issues. All-out calories, 1,393, without dessert. Thursday. Breakfast, 1 serving of Hunger Buster low-carb bacon frittatas. Lunch, 1 serving of bacon cheeseburger salad. Supper, 1 serving of salmon patties with herbs. Side dish, 1 serving of lemon roasted spicy broccoli. Treat, 1 churro mug cake. All-out calories, 1,510, with dessert. Friday. Breakfast, 1 serving of bacon-crusted frittata muffins. Lunch, 1 serving of spinach watercress keto salad. Supper, 1 serving of bacon cheeseburger casserole. Side dish, 1 serving of easy creamy cauliflower mashed potatoes. Pastry, discretionary, eat the same number of coconut peanut butter balls as important to address your issues. All-out calories, 1,393, without dessert. Saturday. Breakfast, 2 servings of Hunger Buster low-carb bacon frittatas. Lunch, 1 serving of bacon cheeseburger salad. Supper, 1 serving of salmon patties with herbs. Side dish, 1 serving of lemon roasted spicy broccoli. Pastry, discretionary, eat the same number of coconut peanut butter balls as important to address your issues. All-out calories, 1,312, without dessert. Sunday. Breakfast, 1 serving of bacon-crusted frittata muffins. Lunch, 1 serving of spinach watercress keto salad. Supper, 1 serving of bacon cheeseburger casserole. Side dish, 1 serving of lemon roasted spicy broccoli. Pastry, discretionary, eat the same number of coconut peanut butter balls as important to address your issues. Absolute calories, 1,287, without dessert. Investigating for step 1, hidden carbs and keto-friendly replacements. At the point when you begin limiting carbs, you'll notice that such a large number of your preferred nourishments accompany included sugars and carbs. These nourishments can rapidly show you out of ketosis and transform your keto diet into a dull low-carb diet. To guarantee that you are keeping your carbs as low as could be expected under the circumstances, utilize these procedures. Peruse marks cautiously. Anything that arrives in a bundle, this incorporates any calorie-containing drinks and regular drugs like hack medication, might be loaded up with covered-up carbs. Ensure the fixings mark doesn't have any fixings like maltodextrin, dextrose, sugar, stick syrup, starch, and so forth in light of the fact that these fixings can expand glucose levels and impede ketone creation. Use keto cordial sugars and flours. Sugar and flour are difficult to dispose of for the eating regimen totally, however it is conceivable on the off chance that you comprehend what to supplant them with. For more information on keto-accommodating sugars that you can utilize, look at our manual for sugars. What's more, on the off chance that you are searching for keto-accommodating heating fixings, read through our manual for keto flours. Eat keto forms of your most loved carb-rich nourishments. Because you are eating keto nourishments doesn't mean you need to remove pizza, pasta, treats, and desserts. You should simply ensure they are followed. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, like, share and leave a comment below. Thanking watching.